Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. In this video, we will be going over the blue version of the most perfect summer outfit. Now, you know that I actually did already post an entire video about this outfit, but it was in pink. As you know, I do have this entire outfit in this beautiful pink color. There's an entire video where I try it on, and I show you the shorts, the silk fabric, everything great about this shirt, but I love this shirt so much that I had to get the men's blue version. Yesterday I did buy this beautiful blue version of it, and it is just so gorgeous. I love it so much. We'll be going over all of the details about this shirt and the shorts as well. Now, the reason I got the swim trunks is because we all know that the men's silk shorts are so huge. It's literally 5 times as big as these for the smallest version. So in order for them to actually fit me properly, I did go ahead and I got the short swim trunks to match that outfit so perfectly. But without any further ado, let's dive into this beautiful La Medusa outfit from Versace's Runway 2024. We have the cutest matching Versace set. Now, I'm so excited that I have the blue one, especially now that I can match my pink one. And these are so cute. Now, the fact that this was a silk shirt, but the shorts, they did come in silk, but they were so huge on me, so I did get the swim short version, which these are actually nylon, but it's actually so cute, and they match just the same, so it's absolutely perfectly, and this shirt, I love it so much. All of the gorgeous detail, and in all honesty, the detailing is like really detailing, because look at all of it. It even looks like it's stairs going up to like Versace heaven, and it is so cute. This right here reminds me of the snakes from Medusa. I'm not sure what this part is supposed to be, but it is really pretty, and I actually really do love that fact. And honestly, the plaid is just so cute for some reason. I love it so much. Now, of course, that was the front of the shirt, and this is the back of the shirt. And look how cute this back is. I actually love the fact that it says Versace down here because everybody recognizes it. I was at Barnes& Noble the other day and somebody was like, oh my god, look, Medusa is on it, on the back. And then they looked down, they're like, it says Versace on the back too. So they're like, oh my god, it's Versace. And it was such a moment at Barnes& Noble. But honestly, so cute. I love the checkers of it. I wish Versace had like one of those like vintage checkered games where it's like you put the like red and black things in the thingies, but if they had a Medusa version that you could like move around, so cute. I would totally love that. You'll also notice that it does say Versace on the actual sleeves of it too, so it's so cute. Honestly, I get so many compliments when I wear the pink one. I can only imagine the amount of compliments I'll have with the blue one, and it is just so precious and so cute. It does also say Versace on the sleeves of the actual shirt too, and it is just so cute. I love it so much. All of these beautiful details of the shirt makes it so worth it. And of course, you know, pairing it with the shorts make it look so cute. How adorable is that? I have not worn this yet, but I'm so excited to wear it. Now for the swim trunks, like I said, these are made out of nylon and these only come in the short version. I do have a longer pair of swim trunks, which I will have the video linked right above and in the description below, and they are almost like twice the size of like the length here, but these are much shorter than the other ones, and I don't know why that is, but it's completely a-okay because it does go with the outfit so completely cutely. It has all the same detailing all over the shorts, so it does match the shirt 100% perfect, and it does have the cute little drawstrings. Now, the size 3, which I did purchase, is the same size that you would get in the underwear, so go by the underwear sizes when it comes to ones like this. So the 3 is the smallest size you can get. Very cute, and I do love it. On the back of the shorts, same print as on the front, but I just have a secret pocket right here that does blend in with a Velcro closure right here, and it does have pockets on the sides too. So this one actually has functional pockets. Now the only bad thing about this is unlike the long swim trunks, they do not have this like weird swim trunk lining in it. Only the short versions do. This is my first pair of short swim trunks from Versace, so I'm not sure if this is only in the short ones and not the long ones, but I am getting the shirt tailored, so I will be getting this tailored as well and getting this entire thing ripped out because I do not need this. I will have boxers underneath at all times, so this 1000% does get in the way of actually wearing it comfortably, so I actually just might take scissors and just cut it for now and then have the tailor like clean it up at the end. But this, I do hate this, so definitely, you know, take that out if you want to. And like I said, I now have these in both blue and pink, And this is honestly like the cutest couple's outfit ever. I cannot wait to wear the pink one and the love of my life to wear the blue one. And it's just going to be such a cute moment. And I love it so much. So comment down below and tell me is this not the cutest couple outfit? As you've seen, the shirt itself is so glorious and so cute, especially with the swim shorts paired with it. It is just so cute and glamorous. The silk of it just feels so silky. It feels like what satin should feel like. So that is actually a really, really good comparison. And again, just like the back of the shirt alone is so cute. Love the fact that it says Versace down here as well. And one thing that I didn't even know is like on the pink one, on the sides of it right here, it's cut higher because you can actually take the front of it and tie it like that in like a cute little knot, and that is so cute. Now, even though the pink one is technically the women's version of this outfit, the sizes are 1000% unisex, so any man can totally wear this pink one. But when it does come to the blue one, I did notice that the edges down here, it's a lot shorter. You totally can go ahead and fold it up and tie it in the front just like the pink one, but it will be a little bit less than the pink one because again, this one is just cut a lot higher than this one right here, and this is actually really, really cute. Now, for the size of this, because this was something that was a little interesting to me. The men's size is a size 46. The smallest size was a 44. They didn't have a 44, so I did get the 46. That you can actually compare to a women's 44. So the 44 is just like the men's 46. The 46 in the men's is just like a little bit wider, but when it comes to the sizes of it, they are actually 1000% accurate. So if you ever don't know like what size to get, but you know you're a 44 in the women's, when it comes to a men's silk shirt, definitely get a 46 and it will fit just right. Now with this outfit, of course I already said this is the cutest couple's outfit in the entire world, and I'm not gonna lie, when I did buy the blue one, I was thinking about the love of my life because how cute is he going to look in this? If only we could find like a matching beanie to like match it, it would be so perfect and so adorable. And then I could wear this one. It could just be like the cutest little moment in the entire world. And honestly, how cute is this for a couple's outfit? I cannot wait to wear this in the summer, and it's going to be so cute. I really, really cannot wait, and I love this so much. One thing about this I definitely do want to say is this totally makes me want to wear my natural hair, because if you didn't know, my natural hair is very surfer-like. It's very, very wavy, and it does get kind of super big, but in like a cute way. And it actually looks like the runway model that actually wore this. So, I mean, I'm not going to try to toot my own horn, but with my natural hair and sunglasses, I mean, I literally look like the Versace runway model that they used. So when it comes to like Versace and me, I just think it's so great. I want to model for Versace so bad. I mean, I do kind of think that I look like a lot of their actual models. So when it comes to like their editorial and catalogs, I can 1000% accomplish that so greatly. But this is so cute, and I cannot wait to wear it. And when it comes to the swim trunks, I actually wish I did get a size 4 in these. Now, I don't know if these are the short version, and that's why, because the longer pair that I do have is a size 3, just like this one, but the waist isn't as tight. And I did notice in these short ones, it has a much more like elastic band than the black ones do. So when it comes to this, I do wish I could get a size 4, but I do have to get that shirt tailored. I'm taking it to the tailor later this week, so I will get these tailored as well, just to kind of get like a little bit more fabric added just right there, and then totally just to get this taken out, because I do not need this in my everyday shorts. I'm never going to be swimming in these. These are only just to wear with that outfit. So I will be getting these tailored, just customized, just to be a little bit more perfect. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Now, personally, I do like the pink outfit a lot more than the blue, just because personally on me, I do think it's a little bit better for my skin tone with the pink versus the blue, but I love the blue one, honestly, like just as much. Actually, I haven't worn the blue one yet because I just bought it yesterday. However, I'm so excited to wear it, and I'm sure once I do start wearing it, that I will love it just as much as the pink. And it's actually just so cute. I cannot wait to wear it, especially for like a couple's outfit. That couple's moment, I am so excited for, and I cannot wait for that to happen. But again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me if there's anything from Versace you would like to collect, or that you have that you just absolutely love. And what color would you get in this outfit? Are you team blue or team pink? Or would you rather get the green, the yellow, or the black and white in this outfit? So again, thanks you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and have a great day. Au revoir.